So what does make this bonsai Christmas gift set so magical? Is it because you don't get this size bonsai, you get this size bonsai, and you also get a fantastic drip tray. And you get this fantastic little bonsai book. And you also get some bonsai food. And don't forget those important bonsai scissors. Perfect for all your snipping requirements. And the kit, of course, won't be complete without a fantastic little watering can. And this easy to follow care guide is included with every single bonsai that we sell. Why not add a lovely little Christmas card to give it that personal touch? Have your beautiful little bonsai tree gift wrapped. How beautiful is that?